We may need to highlight couple of cells or one cell or particular cell sometimes in the dataset. So let's see how we can do this in this video. Here I am using Apple numbers and this is on sample table. So if we check carefully, this is on sample list of transactions like sale, refund, expense, this type of thing. So this category is completely different and I want to highlight only expense category from this table and only this cell data. There is two cell on and two. So how we can do this thing? At first we need to select the cell which we want to modify the cell color. So these two I just selected by dragging over the mouse. Now we have to come to the format section. So inside this format section you'll find all the things. So if the format is not visible, then you just need to click here. Suppose this is not visible, we just need to click here and the format sidebar will be appeared. Now we need to go to the cell section. Our goal is to highlight cell color, right? That's why we have to come cell section. And now there is a fill section, right? So we just need to click here and then we have to choose one color. For example, I want to choose this color light yellow and it will be highlighted like this way. If you don't like this color also, there is other option. You just need to click this wheel or this circle and the color panel will be appeared. Now here you have lots of choice. Here you can choose any color. Suppose I want to make this color more lighter. So I am going to drag this portion, drag this pointer close to the circle and see here more lighter color is appeared. You can also choose from other section also like this, from here, or from here also. I like this one. You can also use it or you can use the other one. Once you are happy by highlighting the cells, then you can close this thing. And that's it. In this way, we can easily highlight cells in Apple numbers. And this is super easy and fast.